Tired of tripping over a messy pile of tangled extension cords laying around your workshop or garage? Want to keep them organized and easy to access? Well, you're in luck. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple DIY extension cord holder using just a few basic tools and materials. I use mine to hold a 100-foot extension cord, but it's also perfect for Christmas lights. First, you'll need to print the template. I'll leave a link for it in the description box below. I tried to get the pattern to fit on fewer pages, but SketchUp, the program I use to design my projects, wasn't cooperating, so the template is a bit of a puzzle. But hey, you're a DIYer and you like a challenge. However, I added a grid pattern to the template which helps align the pages. I started by laying out the sheets on my workbench. I found it was easiest to assemble the pattern from the center and work outward. Tracing paper templates can be frustrating because the pencil point pushes into the flimsy paper, resulting in a distorted line. To fix the problem, I attach my patterns to a manila folder using spray adhesive and cut out the design with scissors. This way, the folder acts as a guide for my pencil to trace around. Next, I temporarily attached the template to the plywood using painter's tape and traced it with a pencil. I made a starting point in the handle for the jigsaw blade using a 1/2-inch Forstner bit. Next, I cut the shape using a jigsaw. For the most precise edges, I suggest cutting next to the pencil line and then carefully sanding up to it. A portable spindle sander easily takes care of smoothing the holder's curves, but you can use sandpaper if you don't have one. I used a handheld router and a roundover bit to soften the holder's square edges, but again, you can use sandpaper if you don't have one. The last step is to wind your extension cord around the holder, and there you have it, your DIY extension cord holder is complete.